Welcome to Spiced and Diced. Let's make chipotle powder. To make chipotle powder, you'll need some red ripe jalapeno peppers, a smoker or a grill, some wood chips, preferably mesquite, a dehydrator, and a spice or coffee grinder. First step will be to place the peppers in your smoker and put your soaked chips on the heat source. You're going to want to smoke these over indirect heat for 2 to 3 hours until they get soft and wrinkled. They'll look like this when they're done, and you can take them off and move to the next step. The next step is to cut them in half lengthwise. Now, if you want a spicier chili pepper or chipotle powder that's going to be maybe not as sweet or as red, you can leave the seeds and the guts inside. But if you want your chipotle powder to be rich red and more sweet and less spicy, then take the seeds and guts out. I'm going for the second option. The third step is to put the peppers and the dehydrator at 120 degrees Fahrenheit until they're dried. You can tell they're fully dried because when you try to break them, they'll snap like a twig when they're at room temperature. The next step is to put them into your coffee or your spice grinder and grind them until you can pulse it a couple of times if you want like pepper flakes, or you can keep grinding it into a fine powder if you want more of a spice blend. Be careful when you open the lid because if you breathe in some of that dust, you're really going to know it. And the last step is to use a funnel and put it into a sealed airtight container or shaker jar. And you'll be able to use this delicious, smoky, spicy chipotle in your favorite recipes. For more cool spices, please visit YouTube at Spiced and Diced. Thanks for watching.